Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. It's a little bit earlier, so I'm a bit tired, but alright, we'll make it work. Alright, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, at the technicals, the fundamentals, of course. Fundamentally, I mean, we already talked about this yesterday, but fundamentally, this week is actually pretty quiet. There's nothing really major going on. Perhaps that the speech by Jerome Powell tomorrow will still make the markets move, but I doubt it. These speeches are quite, they just happen sometimes. And even though the impact is considered to be high, usually like there's no expectation for it. And usually the market moves based on expectations and then the actual result. And that's not there. And then apart from that, we have initial jobless claims on Thursday, but apart from that, nothing much. All right. And then like the major thing today is that the dollar strength index was very bearish on Friday. And now it's recovering a bit, or at least it's trying to get back into this range, which if it's recovering, it's bullish. So that's a little bit bearish for crypto. But that's not necessarily what we're seeing. I mean, what we're seeing is that Bitcoin is barely moving, basically since Sunday. But that overall, it is holding the 28 EMA, for example, which usually if a crypto holds the 28 EMA, I would be very, very happy. Because if it holds that, excuse me, I'm looking at this as well. I open a position on that. But usually if that's holding, super bullish. And apart from that, the dollar strength index is trying to recover right now, but there's a major resistance level coming up right here. So if it hits that resistance level, while Bitcoin is still holding that 28 EMA, I see no reason why Bitcoin wouldn't be bullish. Excuse me. The technical structure right here is also just still bullish. So right now, I see the structure as some sort of a channel up. So I do still expect Bitcoin to break above its main resistance right now, which really is 35,400. Bit of a weird level, but it's the truth. So that breaks above that, gets back up to 36,000, and that area around 37,000. That's the most likely scenario in my eyes for now. If for some reason, I mean, in the end, it is Tuesday. So there's still, I mean, there's still a high likelihood of volatility. So if for some reason Bitcoin fails to hold this channel and drops down below 34,500, which is a possibility. I mean, it's 100% not guaranteed that Bitcoin will hold this channel. Because I mean the volume has dropped down quite significantly. It's pretty high right now, but it only went up about 5% in the last 24 hours. It's not that much. And you need momentum to hold an upwards channel like this. So if it breaks down below 34,600, I wouldn't say that's a problem. Then we just shift into instead of an upwards channel, then we just shift into some sort of a consolidation, which arguably is also still bullish. That's also, I would say that's still a continuation market structure, right? So that it just consolidates, had that impulse wave up, and that eventually it will also still break out of that range and continue going up. So I'm leaning towards the upwards channel being respected, but even if we get a bearish breakout, I would not say that is the end of the world. So overall, pretty bullish. I mean, the market right now is also looking pretty bullish. These are some positions I'm in. They're doing fine. So it seems like the market is pretty healthy, and we're in for some more bullish momentum. You should be prepared for all scenarios, though, of course. But for now, that's at least my thoughts on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye. And if you want more value from me, including profitable signals, which I forgot to say, links to that, links to the Patreon will be down in the description. Check that out if that sounds interesting. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.